Ever wondered where a tractor gets its lifting muscle? Today we're inside the factory to watch raw steel transform. Each batch is scanned for cracks and measured for exact thickness. Cutters trace the arm's outline like a laser-sharp cookie cutter, slicing through steel in seconds and leaving smooth, burr-free edges. Heated to a glowing orange, the blanks move under a 1,500-ton press. The die stamps in the signature curve profile that lets the arm clear tire treads while still lifting straight up. After cooling, robotic mills drill pivot holes in machine oil channels to within a tenth of a millimeter. Reinforcement ribs. Each seam gets an ultrasonic scan. Any porosity means an instant re-weld. Into the furnace the arms go for hardening, then a rapid quench in oil. This balance of hardness and flexibility stops cracks during rough field work. Shot blasting removes scale, and a zinc-rich primer fights rust. Finally, a tough powder coat in trademark tractor red is baked on for a showroom shine. Chrome-plated pistons, seals, and high-pressure hoses slot in. Every connection endures a 250 bar pressure test, well above real-world loads. Torque wrenches verify bolt tightness, laser gauges confirm alignment, and a final lift test hoists a 2-ton weight. Past arms head to packing and ship out worldwide. Ever wondered where your beat-up slippers go? Watch how these grimy flip-flops get reborn as shiny new footwear, separating rubber from fabric and pulling out any metal pins. The slippers ride a conveyor into a rotating drum filled with hot, soapy water. Large paddles tumble them hard, shaking off years of street dust. They exit the drum and pass under spinning nylon brushes that scrub every surface, then cascade through high-pressure spray nozzles for a crystal-clear rinse. A heated wind tunnel blasts the clean slippers. The blades knead everything into a sticky, speckled dough. Operators load the dough into steel molds shaped like slipper saws. Hydraulic presses clamp down, heat up, and fuse the mix into solid, springy blanks. The molds open, the saws pop out sizzling hot. A conveyor carries them beneath rotary knives that shave off excess flash for a clean outline. Fresh PVC straps are injected straight into pre-drilled holes, locking tight as they cool. A worker flexes each pair to prove the bond is solid. Each slipper meets a soft buffing wheel that smooths the footbed, then passes a quick visual check and a weight test before boxing. Watch a flat sheet of steel turn into a strong, shiny box in just 1 minute. A giant coil unwinds, sending smooth steel sheet onto the line while pinch rollers keep it tight and straight. A quick strike notcher bites small triangles from each corner so the edges fold without bumping into each other. Robotic press brakes fold the blanks like origami, forming crisp 90-degree walls in 4 rapid hits. Twin welding guns clamp every corner, shooting electric sparks that fuse the steel edges into one solid piece. A spinning flap will schemes along each weld, removing burrs so fingers won't snag later. Automatic riveters fix heavy-duty hinges to the lid and body. Then a robotic arm snaps them together for the first open and close test. Boxes ride through a hot, soapy spray tunnel that strips oil and dust, perfect prep for paint. Charged paint powder floats onto the grounded steel, glossy skin that laughs at rust. Workers add locks, rubber feet, and a foam seal, then test the latch with a satisfying click. Every box is weighed, wiped, and inspected. Good ones slide into cardboard sleeves, ready to ship worldwide. Ever wondered where your empty water bottle ends up? First, huge trucks pour mountains of used bottles onto a moving belt. Workers and smart cameras quickly sort out any metal, glass, or paper. Only clean plastic heads forward. This saves time, energy, and keeps the final product here. A row of roaring grinders chops the bottles into tiny flakes, like colorful confetti. The flakes dive into giant washing drums filled with hot, soapy water. Dirt, labels, and leftover soda float away, leaving shiny, clean plastic pieces. Next, the clean flakes slide into a long, hot tunnel called an extruder. Inside, spinning screws melt the plastic into thick goo. The goo squeezes out through tiny holes, cools instantly in water, and snaps into rice-sized pellets, perfect fuel for new products. Pellets shoot into a powerful injection molding machine. In seconds, liquid plastic fills a chair-shaped steel mold. The mold slams shut, cools, and opens, revealing a one-piece commode seat with built-in legs and lid. No screws needed. Robotic arms trim rough edges, while quality staff sit, press, and twist to test strength. Any weak chair gets recycled again. Nothing is wasted. And that's how yesterday's bottle becomes today's bathroom essential. Recycling symbol keep recycling.